HOU Temple. It is a one-of-a-kind structure that blends cultural elements from Buddhism, Taoism, and Confucianism. You need to witness it from the outside and be in the moment to take all the beauty in. The statue of the God of Mercy, Kuan Yin, which sits directly next to the entryway, is a must-see when visiting the temple. Kuan Yin is a Buddhist bodhisattva who represents compassion. HOU Temple is not only important for the Hainanese, but it also stands as one of the largest Chinese temples in Southeast Asia. Warren and I follow Buddhism. We get inside every Buddhist temple we can find. It's because the teachings are straightforward and practical to apply in our daily lives. Mindfulness. Being present in the moment. It encourages us to fully experience our thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. It helps us appreciate the little things in life. Compassion. This is the heart of Buddhism. It teaches us to be kind and understanding toward others and ourselves, performing random acts of kindness and being patient with yourself during difficult times. Impermanence. Buddhism reminds us that everything in life is temporary. Embracing impermanence helps us let go of attachment and appreciate the present moment. It encourages us to live more fully, knowing that both joy and sorrow are fleeting. Reflect on the changing nature of life, cultivate resilience and gratitude. Non-attachment. This reduces suffering and allows us to experience life with more equanimity. We practice non-attachment by setting healthy boundaries and focusing on what we can control.